Hello! Today, we will continue to share the maintenance of Phalaenopsis, still sharing homemade fertilizer. The first thing to prepare is some eggshells. It's better to dry it. What about the inner film on the inner wall? It's best to break it up with a blender. What about this eggshell powder? Can be stored in a bottle. Shake a spoonful of eggshell powder. Take another half of a lemon. Squeeze lemon juice into this eggshell powder. Pour in 400 milliliters of hot water. Leave for 3 hours. Filter it after 3 hours. Add a body of water. Then use this water to wipe the Phalaenopsis. You can also use this water to water the root of the nursing column. This can be watered once a month. The third way to use this water is to spray. Put the water into the watering can and spray the butterfly sheet. You can take a look. After using this water for a period of time, a change in Phalaenopsis. This pot has grown a lot of new roots. Now see these pots. The root system grows better. And that's what I want to talk to you about today. If you have Phalaenopsis, in the absence of specialized fertilizers, you can try this homemade fertilizer. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.